no coins to come back.
Sfiso.
That is
So,
crazy.
Mlindo, you went to 00000.
Like,
There was a time like that.
negative
Yeah, I had to
balance.
actually call Pori from Port Shepstone. So like, Poison, me, I never actually had like a fight with you.
Yeah.
You don't remember me saying 1, 2, 3 to you or something. So, Poison, hey, me, I need to come back to Joburg. I need to work.
Where were
Then
you?
Pori sent me like 20K.
Damn.
Send me 20K.
What the hell?
At
Look
that time, but stages when it was changing. I was stage 3, stage what. Then I came back to Joburg. And then, yeah, I went back. Then we started working again. And then when we started working, now it was the thing which now I'm betraying who now? Nico. That's when the podcast thing came in. That's when he went to make G.
When you went back to Port.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you what? Where were you staying at that time of the whole, when you were like up and
He
stuff?
said he was home. He went home.
No, I'm saying after the album, during during my gigs. Sfiso.
I was staying-
No, he had his own flat now.
I was staying at the Mkasho there.
Where's Mkasho?
He was renting.
The
Wait,
rent.
wait,
Apartment.
So
So
the-
mid-rent.
So and then it got to a point where you were evicted. You couldn't afford it.
No, it wasn't that. The lockdown was starting. So with the coins that I had, I was like, it's fine. I can actually just go home.
How much was it at that time? How much you had in your account?
I can't remember that much.
Over 100K?
Yeah, I would say 150 so.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I went home. Actually, the thing is, Mangiada, it was to visit. It wasn't because like he looked down your car. It was to visit.
So uvaleleke ngalapha. So wasale sewalinda ngale kuze kuphele
transport thing.
lockdown.
ukuthi you can't come if you are not transporting masks and what. So I had to be there. And ngihamba ngebhasi eliharishiwe that time. The brewery is wanting the money now. The brewery is calling.
Ibhasi lakho uhamba ngele bus.
Ngiharishile ibhasi from Joburg to Port
And then
Shepstone.
uvaleleka
Now
nebhasi le.
I'm down there.
The bus which is actually his.
Nope.
No, it's hired.